What's up? Do y'all remember when Mr. Husband colored this icy blue wig? Well, today I'm about to install it. This technique is going to be very beginner friendly. It's going to be mistake proof if you follow the steps correctly. But this is very beneficial because I know there's a lot of you guys that are learning and you don't know exactly where to place the glue, and then sometimes there's leftover glue in some areas and it's just really not cute. So I'm about to show y'all something. One of these days, of the past few days, I went into MAC and I got my skin color with the foundation matched correctly. Like, we tried out different ones and we found the perfect one for me. So usually with a this was a 613 wig. Usually with 613 it comes with a transparent lace. So with transparent lace you can tint it, you can use makeup, you can do whatever you want to do. In this case, we're going to be using makeup. The makeup that fits my exact skin tone. Like, I love it because I like to, like, you know, look glamorous, but I don't want to make it look like I got makeup on. Like, I'm cakey all up. Like, it's just very smooth. Like, it's very smooth, and it matches like my neck and everything. Like, it's just perfect. But anywho, the color that I'm using, it is, I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it's NW47 by MAC. Just go ahead, put it in there. Put it in the inside of the wig. All right, y'all, this is a ready-to-wear bob. This is a lace front bob wig. They come in many different colors. I chose the 613, of course, so I can create my own color. You can get it in 613, you can get it in 1B, you can get it in 1B 613, purple, green, whatever color you want to choose. I have many different options. I'm going to attach the link in the description box underneath this video. This is a ready-to-wear bob. You don't have to do any additional cutting. This is a 10-inch bob wig. It's ready to wear. Like I said, you don't have to do anything additional to it. Once you put the makeup inside, you're going to seal the wig, seal the knots, and most makeup has oil inside of it, and when you use oil with the glue, it doesn't really mix. So I'm spraying the Gots to Be spray gel spray. I'm spraying the Gots to Be spray because it has alcohol in it, and it just makes everything stick really good with no issues. The glue that I'm using is boho as usual. Nothing is going to change. You're going to squeeze it out, get a rat tail metal tooth comb, and you're just keep the wig on your head. Don't pull it backwards. Don't do anything. Exactly where the wig is laying, just lift it up a little bit, slide the rat tail underneath right there in that area, let it dry a little bit. Then you're going to take your blow dryer on warm, and then you're going to blow dry the lace into the glue. This is going to give you a very easy install, mess-free install, mistake-free install. I know it's kind of hard for you guys to put the glue on first and then bring the wig up to it, or it's really hard to, you know, put the glue on and then try to remember where the wig lays. I know, trust me, I understand, I know. So that's why I'm just showing you guys different techniques, giving you guys different tips to use to give you the best install and the easiest route possible. Get into this melt though, like get into this melt though. Like no ball cap needed, no ball cap method. It ain't messy. It's very beginner friendly. Come on, y'all, like give yourselves a round of applause, please, because y'all is finna be slaying. Do you hear me? Y'all is finna be slaying and y'all don't even know it. Y'all better take these notes. Let's get it. Ain't no extra glue left over nowhere. It's all good. Like, babe, you gonna be slaying. You gonna be slaying these heads. Everybody eats. If you are just now beginning to do hair, or even if you professionally do hair, or whatever the case may be, and it's very hard for you to find your client's exact skin tone, because that's what plays a huge role in how well your lace will melt. The makeup that I show you guys on my channel, whether it's the Ruby Kiss, any of those brands that I show you guys, this is something that's going to be very, very easy for you. You're going to have your client, your client's going to want to, be interested to book with you. But before your client comes, I recommend that you go and tell your client, hey, go to your nearest beauty store, something like MAC, Ulta, one of those two places. Have them match your skin, with the correct foundation for you. You can either tell them to bring it and buy it and reimburse them the money so you can keep it, and then that client keeps coming to you, and you keep that bottle, and then you may have other people that's that exact skin tone as well. Or if your client goes and get their skin tone matched and you have that color already, you feeling me? Oh, okay, I know you feeling me. So that's a tip that I recommend that you guys do, because it's very, very hard to go out and buy every single skin tone. So if it's easier for you to just, have your client go and get their skin matched and then bring it to you and you give them the money for it, whatever the case may be, however it goes, or if they already have their own makeup at home and they bring it with them when they come and get their hair done, that's even better. So I need y'all to be slaying like E. Slay like IAmErickaJ. Period. Like, nobody gets left behind 2019 and for the next years to come. Like, this is, it don't get no better than that. Like, I'm literally giving y'all the tips that y'all need to succeed in the business field, in the hair field, in your personal life. It's many more positive things to come on my channel, and we only getting started. So let's get back into this melt. Let's finish this wig on out and bow hole, honey. Okay, bow hole. Do you see how my hair matches these colors? Low key, this is the glue that you need in your life. And if you want to see how I achieve this color, go ahead and look at it, because I'm telling you, I'm giving you all the tips you need to succeed. One thing that I can say that you guys should do, and this is if you have like a lot of hair or whatever the case may be, or if your client has a lot of hair, even though we did not do the ball cap method, you still would need to take your Gots to Be spray. I forgot to show that on camera. I completely apologize. You still need to take your Gots to Be spray and lay your edges back down, however you lay your hair. While you're styling your hair, you better go ahead and melt that lace. Make sure you get that head wrap and melt that lace. The reason that I'm using the blow brush is because it gives it volume. I am going to use the flat iron to style my bob, but I don't want it to be a flat, flimsy looking bob. I want it to have body. That's why I use the blow brush first. I chose to use this flat iron instead of using my Conair, the one that you guys see me using most of the time, the black one that has the rainbow plates. I chose to use this one instead because it's skinnier and it gets in sections that I need without burning me. Like I did the back area by my neck. The black one definitely would have burnt my neck. So I just chose to use the skinny babyless, Prima. And it's really, really easy to use. And the technique I was using, I just ran the flat iron through the hair. I didn't give it a bump. I didn't do anything of that nature. I just wanted, it to be like flat, but not too flat. And I didn't want it to have a huge bump. I just wanted it to be just a natural flowy bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for all of the support you've given me. Make sure you use all of these tips that I've shown you in this video and all of my other videos. Please use all of the videos and take something from them and learn from them. Not just hair related, just in life, business, any way possible. I'm here to help you all. We're all going to win. We're all going to succeed. Period. Like...